Hey guys, I'm Randy, this is Show Me Tint, and we're tinting cars and wrapping cars and unwrapping cars. So we've got this new addition. I think they're gonna try to make this a police car. I don't really know. We're actually just unwrapping it. People ask me all the time, you know, can this stuff come off? How's the paint underneath it? It actually protects the paint underneath it. That's what's cool about it. The car is in the absolute same condition as it was when we wrapped it. But we're just getting it off there because the customer fell in love with a different car and he's buying it, and the new buyer would like it unwrapped. So we're removing all the wrap to show them that the paint's in good condition. They're gonna come by and do a paint test on it, and it's gonna knock it out of the park. I actually like the black on this car more than I did the first time. It looks really good. All this will come off. They're just got the fine little bits coming off. The guys are working hard in the back. They're tinting cars. This is the middle of winter here in Missouri, so we're not having a good time, but before long it'll be spring, it'll be popping. We'll have a little quick video that's all done. We're gonna buff, polish it out, make it super shiny. It'll look brand new. So we're gonna get that done today, and we've got a bunch of other projects going. I'll tell you what, let's go check something else out real quick. We'll check that out. I wanted to show you something else. This is the something else. So I tell you we can do anything. This time, we did a big makeover. We'll do these from time to time. Somebody will come with me at the project, and it's a lot of work, you know, and I like those challenges. I like using all of our resources to do stuff. You should see a video of this before. It was kind of old and gross and white, and it had been used for like, they called it the suds bucket. It was like a dog grooming business. So, you know, they were pretty hard on it. Those animals, you know, they don't care. They're not using their seatbelt. They're doing whatever. And this time, this customer of mine, I've done a lot for him. He come back. He's kind of a local celebrity, you know. He's a fun guy. He wanted a party bus. He wanted a makeover. He brought it to us. He literally drove it from where he bought it. He's like, hey, I'm on the road. I'm coming down from Oklahoma. I need you to get ready for this bus. And I was like, dude, I got you. Bring it on. And I got here and I was like, oh my God, this is a lot of work. Oh my God, what did I get myself into? But we got started, we got to work. It came out amazing. There was a few challenges. We hit a few bumps in it on the road, but we overcame them all. And I got the finished product to show you, and I think you're gonna like it. So let me show you what we got going on. He wanted to do like a satin black. So if you've seen before and you're seeing after, you gotta love it. Check it out. It is limo tinted out. Can't see in there. What's going on? Is there a party in there? Is there a party? You don't know. You don't know what's going on. And then we blacked all the windows out. We made all this. This is a wrap that we do. It's super smooth. I mean, as smooth as the bus can be. Like we did a lot of sanding on this thing to get it to this point. These crevices in here are super hard to stick with conventional wrap. This is like an old fiberglass. I've actually done this before, believe it or not, which is crazy. Most places, a little mud on there. It's fine. We'll wash that off. We put these hubcaps on there. Those are fancy. Those were his idea. We did some gloss black on the grill, polished the headlights out, gloss black on the mirrors. You know, it's little stuff, but if you had that bus and this bus together, not even the same program. The bumpers look brand new. You know, the thing's ready for a party for real. And I think it looks cool for what it is. He's gonna do like a makeover on the inside. He's gonna send us some pictures. He's gonna do it all himself, which is always fun. You know what I mean? Everybody has these projects you're doing. Like I said, if you have a project, you want some help with it, bring it on out here to Show Me Tint. I'll hook it up. We'll do some cool stuff. This is a good time of year to do it. And I'm really excited about getting it to him. He's actually already been by. He's already saw it. He is hyped. There's a motorcycle. We got some sunshine today. I'm in the Show Me state. I'm excited about it. Makes everybody feel just a little better. The bus is rocking. Don't come and knocking. That's what I was gonna say. So I'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.